Today I'm going to check if I can install, well, I've installed games on Bazzite already, as you can see. So I just want to show you how easy it is to actually play games on, or actually install and play games on Bazzite. So in my previous video I actually just showed you how to install Bazzite, but here I'm just gonna see if the games will actually run and how easy it is. So out of the box, Bazzite comes with everything that you need for gaming. So Lutris, Wine, Proton, and a bunch of other stuff. So, and Steam obviously. It's pre-installed, ready to go. So all you have to do is pretty much just open Steam, log in, and see what games are actually compatible on Linux. So if you open Steam, so this is just a bunch of games I already have over the years. But if you go to the store and let's go categories. Well, anyway, let's just see quickly. Yeah, let's go categories, free to play. Just go there quickly. And then if you click on any game, really, I think it will tell you if it's playable or not. This PC is very old and it's very slow. This is actually my Proxmox PC. So this Bazzite is a VM on this Proxmox PC, and I have the graphics, the hardware pass through, so that I can install the games and play it. Or I just want to test it and see if it works. But the PC itself is pretty shitty, so yeah. So if I click on play game, I think if it's not compatible, this one is. So if it's not compatible, it will give you an error box that will say it's not playable. But anyway, Steam out of the box works. So to make things more compatible, you can go into the settings of Steam. Just go into settings and go immediately to compatibility and switch this on. And then see if your game will work or not. If it doesn't, you can switch. I mean, it will be an hot fix. I just switched to experimental. See if that works. That's the only thing you have to do in there. And then in the game itself, there's another compatibility that you can switch over to. Where's the game that I've just installed? Yeah, say SCP LabRat. Yeah, LabRat. Go to the manage properties within the game. Go to compatibility again and just tick that box. Force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. So again, I chose Proton Experimental. So you can just choose one of those if the game is not working. That's basically all you have to do to make a game to work. Right, so as you can see, I'm busy actually installing battle.net because I want to play StarCraft. I couldn't get it to work on any of the other distros like Arch. I get to the login screen, but then it doesn't log in. So I haven't actually logged in here. I mean, it's still busy doing stuff. I don't know what it's doing, but anyway, let that run for now. Right, maybe I should I open the game now? So I've installed SCP LabRat, but it doesn't work on this PC. Doesn't have a graphics card, and as you can see, it's very old. I can run new not new fetch. What's the other one? Oh man, what's the other one now? Oh, fast fetch. Fast fetch. Just close that, open it again. Ah, okay. As you can see, this is an old AMD A10. It's one of my first A series computers. So I just set it up as a Proxmox machine, which works perfectly for all the VMs I have on there. So A10 7700K Radeon R7. So the R7 is the onboard graphics, and it's just not enough to well, to run that game, and that game is not very taxing. But it does run Sven Co-op, which is based on Half-Life 1 and using the Half-Life 1 engine. I just want to quickly see if this will log in. I think I forgot my password. Yeah, obviously. I mean, what the hell? Well, let's just open a game to see if it works. Open Steam. Yeah, it is open. It is open. Yeah, I'm just amazed that this PC can actually do all this. Can actually do all of this. Let's close some of this stuff though. Ugh, what is my password now? Really? Right, Sven Co-op. Right, so let's just say start new game. The fact that it gets to this stage means it works. So Bazzite can run games, obviously. So, I mean, Bazzite's a very nice operating system. It's based on Fedora, and it's immutable, meaning you can't change any core files or anything like that. It's more locked down, so you can't break it that easily. But for anything, this distro is actually good for work and for gaming. So I would just straight install Bazzite, especially if you want to work on your PC and gaming. If you have a second PC for gaming, then yeah, that's fine, but it is pretty good for both, as you can see. My mouse and keyboard is not in a position for me to really play anything. What? Okay. As you can see, pretty smooth for this old.
Oh my God, we're doomed.
Okay, anyway, I'm definitely gonna play Half-Life 1 again. My goodness. Right, so it's probably gonna get stuck here, the screen now, for some reason. But yeah, I really want to see if this works now. I can't remember my goddamn password. I just close that. Yeah, as you can see, man, everything is installed. Just take off Firefox, install something else. But it is just so smooth and so good. Really want to see if this works now. Okay, it seems to be logged in. Wow, I'm so surprised. I've tried this on Arch and I just couldn't get past the login screen. It wasn't the credentials, it was just hanging. So something wasn't working, and it seems to be working on Bazzite. But I had to change a few things. So if you come here, if it throws any errors here and it stops, just copy this into ChatGPT and tell it to figure it out. That's what I did, and it looks like it's working. Where am I now? Ooh. Okay. It looked like it froze, but I think it's just my PC. Oh, that's a shame. Maybe I should exit it, close. Okay, anyway, this froze, so I'll check that out later, but the fact that Steam is working perfectly tells you that, yeah, Bazzite is pretty cool. Pretty cool for most stuff. So if you want to do your work on here as well, the only thing I would say that you still need is Office Suite, and to install an application, you go to Discover. That's all you have to do. Just click on that icon that's already there. It's the application manager. Open that up. Yeah, it's it's doing a lot now. And then just, ooh, it's very slow now. You can actually check all your updates in here as well and update everything at once. Let's close Steam. Gonna keep open Lutris. Yeah, this PC is literally dying now. Yeah, it's literally dying. Anyway, type in LibreOffice. LibreOffice. So you can search for any software here and it will show it. It should show, maybe it's one word. I'm just gonna search for Libre. Now what's now? I did find it before. Okay. And there it is, LibreOffice. And you can just click on that button there and it will install it. Yeah. That is Bazzite. Good.